What if I told you the treatment you need is closer and more affordable than what you think? This is Linda's story, and it's a wake up call for everybody who's been trapped on a medical waiting list. Linda was told she didn't need a hip replacement. Linda visited a doctor, and the doctor told her they could schedule the treatment for 2 years because it wasn't an emergency. So she trusted the plan for 2 years. She relied on heavy medication and endless physical therapy, waiting for a breakthrough that never came. By the age of 63, simple tasks had become impossible. She was using two canes just to walk. The pain wasn't just physical, it started to take a toll on her mental strength and independence. She was placed on a massive waiting list, another obstacle in a journey that had already cost her years of her life. Determined to take back her life, Linda stopped waiting. She exhausted her savings and turned to online fundraising just to cover the private surgery. She finally got the care she needed, but the emotional and financial toll was immense. Linda's story doesn't have to be yours. If you're facing severe pain or long waiting lists, it might be time for you to look into medical tourism. Many patients are finding board certified, world class orthopedic surgeons in modern hospitals in Mexico, cutting their costs by up to 60% compared to the United States. If you're looking for a board certified orthopedic surgeon, check out our website, Medical Tourism Mix, where we offer not only great doctors but great destinations for you. Hope you find this story and information helpful. I'm Kurt. Until next time.